What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this lovely wig from Nadula Hair. Shout out to them for sending this to me. And this video is a collab with my YouTube sis, BeautyWCat. So after you watch this video, check out her video because she's doing a big curly Nadula unit. So you're getting 2 for 1 today. So a little bit of the specs on the unit before we get started. Just, you know, the basics before I put it on. You can't see them no more. It does have a lot of baby hair for you to play with. It's almost bangs. I think I'm probably gonna end up pushing that back because, you know, I'm not a huge baby hair kind of girl. I almost couldn't say that right. You've got your 2 combs on the sides. The 13x6 lace frontal, so you got a lot of space to play with over there. Transparent lace, as you can see, and I think the way their transparent lace seems like it's going to blend really well with my skin, so I'm excited for that. Got a comb in the back. It's also got lace in the back if you want to tack it down and maybe, you know, kind of put it up. Not all the way because it's clearly not a full lace unit, but, you know, you can do a little something with it. Then, you know, you've got your adjustable straps on the sides. Also, the length that I have this in is 22 inches. Now that we have touched on all the specs of this unit, I'm going to style it, put it on, and let you guys know the rest of the tea on what I think about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already, and stay through to the end of the video because you might have got the comment shout out. You never know.
Tell me what can I do, but you don't feel like I do. Baby, in time, baby, I know you're fine. Tell me what can I do? Yeah. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. I thought we were now. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. You want my love, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby. You got me twisted, thinking about the way that things used to be. When it was you with me, girl, I was so free. See, you had my heart from the start like Cupid, and I was just downright foolish and stupid. But now I know the reason for the pain and the headaches. And left me all alone, now I can't even concentrate. I guess I'll wait for the day until you come back, because my heart is where your love is at. You got me twisted. Baby, I love you so. Tell me what can I do, but you don't feel like I do. Baby, in time, baby, I know you're fine. Tell me what can I do? Yeah. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. But I gotta be strong. I thought we were now. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. Now you say you want me, girl. You want my love, baby. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby.
Okay, so let's discuss this hair from Nadula. You guys, this hair is so soft, and I love the body waves on this unit. As you saw, I didn't even do much to this hair. I added some face framing curls in the front, just a little bit, but I didn't go through and like curl it because I loved how the body waves were just laying. And I was able to do this because, you know, I didn't bleach the knots, so I didn't put any water on this hair beforehand besides putting the water to pluck the frontal. But other than that, you know, no real water was on the hair, so I was able to keep the original body wave that came out the package, and it's just so pretty. This hair feels so amazing. I know I already said it was soft, but like I really want y'all to understand, like, this hair feels amazing. It is not tangling on me. You see how my hands are running through it right now? I am loving this unit so far. Now, this was a transparent lace unit. They do offer transparent and light brown and different colors of lace, but they opted to send me the transparent unit of the body wave. And I do like it, and I don't think it's really an issue, but for me, like, I got it to blend and everything. I'm looking in my mirror if you're wondering what's going on right now. I got it to blend pretty good, especially like where it counts in the front. But you see, I ran out of, where is it? I ran out of my freeze spray. And when I do transparent units, this is my go-to for laying my wigs. And in the middle of doing this video, I ran all the way out. So that caused a problem for me a little bit as far as like blending on the side. So I'm gonna keep that covered. I'm gonna just show y'all where it did blend perfectly. When I do it with freeze spray, it always blends seamlessly by the time I'm done. But like, I had to go back and use like the actual got to be glued, and that doesn't always leave for a flawless finish when you have to go back and tint the lace on your head and everything. So that kind of messed me up a little bit just personally for how I install my units, but you know, it worked out over here, so that's really what matters right now, and I can always redo it when I get some new freeze spray. But that is also a tip too, just for y'all to know, when you have a transparent lace and you don't necessarily, like, you're gonna have to tint it to fit your skin tone, install your wigs with some got to be, because the product is so thin that it's not caking your hairline up with too much product, because you're gonna, you know, have to tint it, or you already tinted it, things of that nature. It just lays a lot easier when you have to blend out your lace when you use freeze spray, or even like mousse or something if you're gonna do what's it called, glueless or something like that. It's so much better when you use a very light thin product. I think the 150% density is just perfect. Like 22 inch and 150% density, like, it's a good combo, like Batman and Robin. I haven't had any shedding issues so far either. The only real shedding I've gotten is because I did pluck the frontal. What I really did though like about this unit, when I noticed when I was plucking the frontal, is one, it looked like they bleached the hairline. It didn't look like the whole frontal was bleached, and I didn't bleach the knots. I just covered it with some concealer and powder and stuff. But it looked like that the knots of the front of the hairline were bleached. And also what I noticed when I pushed the baby hairs back was that the hairline, I can't talk today, I don't know why, but the hairline was already plucked, like super plucked, very well, no complaints. I didn't really have to go through it for more than like a couple minutes just to kind of pluck it out and make it more hairliney, if that makes sense. Y'all know how I do. I can't stand no straight across hairline. So I had to, you know, just add my little finishing touches to it, but I didn't have to go through and like thin it out. It was perfectly done for you already. And they did it in just the right amount. Like, it was just enough to where your hairline looks good, but not too much to where, you know, you can start to see your cap underneath and stuff like that. So they did a really good job, like, pre-doing stuff on this unit. As far as how the cap fits, this fits really well for me. I didn't have to adjust anything. And the frontal, you guys, it was large enough to fit all of my edges. Like, the whole thing is covered. Pull some of this hair back. Usually I get like a little bit of my hair left out on this end because it just comes out a little bit farther on the sideburn area, just a little bit. But this one, it fully covered every part of my hairline. Nothing was out or had to be left out in order to fit properly. So I really love that. The cap size fits great. It's not like super snug on me. I didn't adjust anything. And right now I still have room in the back, but not like room where it's hanging, you know, in the back. Like, but it's still like extra room in the back. So if you have a larger head, this will also work for you. And then like for me, if you had a smaller head, I feel like I got a pretty average head, 22 inch. But if you have a smaller head, you know, you can always adjust it down and it should be, you know, it should work pretty well for everyone involved. All big heads, little heads, small heads, all heads. Now I can vouch and say that Nadula Hair does seem to last for a pretty long time. I made a wig with them, my first partnership with them back in like November, December time. And I did a 1-month update with them on that same hair. And I still use that same hair that they sent me. It does take to heat and holds curls really well. I didn't actually have any type of product because I'm out of my hair hairspray, so I couldn't spray the curls that I added in the front to, you know, kind of give it some hold, and they're holding on their own time. So like, that is perfect. It didn't have a lot of flyaways, so that was great. I only used my wax stick to kind of help me set the part in place, but I didn't have to like tame any flyaways or you know, anything like that. Let me go ahead and give y'all a back view. Comment shout out in this video goes to Sheba Jackson, because she's my name twin. Hey, name twin. Thank you guys so much for watching. This hair will be linked down below girl, what? If you want to pick up this unit, it'll be linked down in the description box for you. Don't forget to check out my girl BeautyWCat's video doing her big curly Nadula hair for you guys, so y'all can get a 2-for-1 on Nadula today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.